You might have noticed that I already added a file here, don.jpg. I was testing with it. So in order to add a file, you just click on upload and drag and drop inside this box and it will be uploaded. So I uploaded this image, an image of the creator of tech. So again, Donald Knuth, I mean, yeah. So let's add the graphic here, and this can be done using the include graphics instruction. So let me just copy paste this one. So let's just add it first without any options and see what happens. It is here. Okay. Now say that you don't like the size and you want it to be like 1/3 of what it is. So if your math is good, you will know that scale that the 1/3 is about 0.33. You don't have to be good in math to know that. But this is 1/3 of the size and it already jumped to the previous page. If you are more of a control freak and you want to get the exact dimension of say 3 centimeters, you can write it this way. Okay, so this is 3 centimeters. You can also specify the height, but I don't recommend doing that if you don't know exactly what you're doing here, because you can get a wrong height. See what happens if you do this. You go, yeah. So the height has to be the right one, otherwise you could get images like this. You can also rotate your images. So I say I want to rotate this by 45 degrees, and it gets you something like that. Okay, because there was an extra line here, an empty line, LaTeX considered that this is a new paragraph that has the image. But if I don't have the new line, and since I don't say explicitly new line here, yeah, we don't have that here, LaTeX will automatically put this on the same line as the aim. So you see aim and the image are on the same line, yeah, which might be okay for some applications, but not necessarily all the cases. So you might want a more proper environment for this graphics. And actually LaTeX defines the figure environment. So you have begin, figure, yeah, and this will insert the instructions for a figure automatically. So you see here there's an include graphics that we can simply override with our existing graphics. Also, there are some extra cool stuff that we have here. Now we have a caption for the figure. You see here that we didn't know who this person is, but now I can say who that is, right? No, Donald Knuth. And centering means that it will be centered instead of being like that. So let's compile and see what happens. Here you go. Yeah, it looks more professional, right? And also we have this label here. What is the usage of label? Easy. Let's say I will have a paragraph here. So figure, I want to say, I can write figure 1 shows Donald Knuth, yeah? But maybe later on this figure will become the second, and then figure 1 will be wrong. You should have to update it to figure 2, or just let LaTeX manage it for you by writing graph and use the label that you have here. So here figure, and I'll put here done. Same thing here. Okay, try to have the meaningful names for your figures and tables. So now you see where is the text. Yeah, figure 1 shows Donald Knuth, sorry. Yeah, so you get the name there for him. So this is the figure environment and the include graphics. So you can use the include graphics on its own, but it is not that efficient. Yeah, okay, so this is better to do the figure. I always use the figure environment.